So ladies and gentlemen, Trade and Media presents a Pride of Bharat 2021. Alright ladies and gentlemen, as we all know that it's indeed a very special day and इस खास दिन में हमारे साथ एक बहुत ही खास शख्सियत मौजूद है। जी हाँ दोस्तों, 90s के दशक के सुपरस्टार, द पावर पैक एक्शन हीरो। इनफैक्ट ना सिर्फ एक्शन हो, चाहे रोमांस हो, चाहे कॉमेडी हो, इन्होंने अपने बेहतरीन परफॉर्मेंस के साथ कभी ना कभी आपके दिल में जगह जरूर बनाई होगी। आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट none other than the splendid personality, ladies and gentlemen, our power pack performer from Bollywood, Sunil Shetty ji. जोरदार तालियां हो जाए, put your hands together. The leading IVF center of the year from Gujarat award goes to Badarka Hospital and Earth Test Tube Baby Center, for which I request Dr. Devraj Badarka and Mr. Manish Badarka to please join us on stage.
My name is Dr. Devraj D. Bhadarka and my company name is Bhadarka Hospital and Earth IVF Center. Well, I feel very privileged, and this achievement is actually reward to my hard-working Earth team and my patients who believe on us and also trust on us. And we are very confident on our treatment protocols, so we are deserving it for sure. We have started our hospital, that is name is Bhadarka Gynec Hospital Maternity and Nursing Home before 10 years in Junagadh, and we treated so many thousands of patients related with gynec and obstetric problems and also infertility problems with utmost satisfaction. And we have also treated so many infertility couples, and then we realized that there is so much to do with infertility treatment, so we have started Earth IVF Center, that is our test tube baby center in Junagadh district first before 5 years. And I have completed my diploma course from reproductive medicine from Germany in Kiel University, and also I have done in reproductive medicine fellowship from reputed Bombay universities. Till that we have treated 7,000 infertility couples and we give him satisfactory result, and also we have done 1,000 IVF cycles in which we have gives more than 5,000 families happy life with child. My IVF center, it is Earth IVF Center, is the first IVF center in our region Junagadh with world class infrastructures and very well set up, and we have give results in IVF treatment of around 70 to 80%, which is more than industry normal. And we have also treated couples with age of more than 50 years, and we have give them also results with child. And we have also in-house embryologist and in-house IVF infrastructure lab with very well set up. We have treated patients with very well experienced skills of diagnostic techniques with customized treatment plan and with very affordable cost rate, that is fits for individuals. We have also treated couples from very least educational background and also from poor places where there is a very need of treatment of this facility is much needed, and we have give also results in IVF faculties very much higher than the industry normal. The biggest advertisement of our brand is our patients and our results. We believe in advertisement from patient to patient, and we also give results with very well equipped setups, and also with our good doctors team which are very well in embryology and infertility workup. Trade and Media is recognized, it's known for recognizing good talents from India, and I am satisfied with the service given by you people, and thank you.